Motorstar Explorer 250 at nag-upgrade siya ng full exhaust. Ang kinabit natin ay Yoshimura Alpha full carbon. So syempre sound check tayo without silencer. Okay. Okay, so rev sir, isang rev. Isa pa. Alright, so narinig nyo naman guys yung tunog nito, napakaganda no. Yoshimura Alpha for Motorstar Explorer 250. So yung